How to create a budget from scratch. Creating a budget might sound boring, but it's actually one of the best ways to take control of your money and your life. Today, we're going to break it down step by step, in a simple way anyone can follow. Ready? Let's go. First, start by knowing how much money you have coming in. This is your income. It could be your paycheck, side hustle, or any money you regularly receive. Write down the total amount you get each month. This is the foundation for your budget. Next, list all your monthly expenses. These are the things you spend money on every month, like rent, groceries, utilities, and transportation. Don't forget smaller expenses, like your phone bill, streaming subscriptions, or even your daily coffee. Writing everything down helps you see where your money is actually going. Now, divide your expenses into needs and wants. Needs are things you have to pay, like rent and food. Wants are things you can live without, like eating out or shopping for new clothes. This step is important because it shows you where you might be able to save. Here comes the fun part. Set your spending limits. Look at your income and subtract your needs. Whatever's left is your money for wants, savings, or paying off debt. If your expenses are higher than your income, don't panic. This just means you need to adjust your wants or find ways to cut back. Finally, track your spending. Keep an eye on how much you actually spend each day or week. You can use a notebook, an app, or even a simple spreadsheet. Tracking helps you stick to your budget and make smarter choices. Remember, your budget isn't set in stone. Life changes, and your budget should change with it. Keep reviewing it every month, celebrate your progress, and adjust where needed. That's it. Making a budget is all about being honest with yourself and making a plan to use your money in the best way possible. Start today, and you'll feel more confident and in control of your finances. Got any budgeting tips or